how to activate hands-free wake word on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here let's find and select the settings button located right here at the upper right corner. Then from all settings list, choose here sound and tones. So now you've got access to those three sections. Let's choose here the last one, which is system voice. As you can see, here you can scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose here allow Hello Mitsubishi. So you can enable or disable this feature just by using this toggle. So this switch enables or disables the wake word listener. When toggled on, you don't need to press any physical steering wheel buttons to talk to the car. You can simply speak the trigger phrase Hello Mitsubishi out loud to bring up the assistant at any time. So basically that's it. If you just say Hello Mitsubishi, the car is listening, and now you can use the speaking feature, and you can use some commands, for example, to...
You can interrupt the voice prompt and give a command immediately by pressing the push to talk button. Say phone, navigation, audio, information, or EV to see more commands for each category. Additional commands are help, list commands, what can I say, general help, go back, quit and exit.
So you've got here the full presentation, how you can use the following voice assistant. All right, if you would like to quit it, let's just use this back button. All right, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.